Assistant coaches Alan Gregorio, SBB Competitions Commission Bernie Atienza, and SBB Operations Finance Head Mr. Butch Antonio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see the starters for both teams. First, from your Power AT Pilipinas. Starting at guard number 11, Willie Miller. Another guard number 6, James Yap. At forward number 4, Jared Dillinger. Another forward number 9, Ranidel De Ocampo. And at center number 7, Sonny Tos. Head coach to the Power 18 Pilipinas is Yegel. And now the starting lineup for your Smart Gilas Pilipinas national team. At guard number 6, JB Castro. Another guard number 8, Chris Chu. At forward number 10, Matt Baracael. Another forward number 17, Japet Aguilar. And at center number 11, CJ Giles. Head coach for the Smart Gilas Pilipinas national team is Rico Todomay. Our referees for the ball game are Boy Cruz, Art Herrera, and Tonji Aldaba, with no killing in the alternate referee. It's the Power Pilipinas coming up against.
And here are your primary protagonists for the main game of Pinoy Basketball Kakampiño.
An interesting matchup here at the shooting guard position. James Yap against Chris Chu. No, Chu much smaller than James Yap. I think Yap is going to use a lot of muscle to be able to get his shots off. Chu is going to use his speed. I think overall Smart Gilas will use that asset. No, it's speed because of the youth factor, and the Power 8 team will try to use, will try to play a slow down game and turn this into a sort of like a man-to-man or a man versus boys battle. I think that's really what Power 8 wants to do. And of course, this is a test between the system of Coach Toraman, the system of the FIBA style with its three-point shooting and playing the long court, and Coach Yengiao's style of using all of his players, equal opportunity for all his players.
And this game is underway. First possession goes to Smart Gilas. They're in immaculate white, Power 18 Pilipinas in royal blue.
Just wanted to say also that there's a little bit of color on the floor, possibly because Ranidel De Ocampo was involved in a scuffle with CJ Giles in a practice game only last Friday, Talking Tex versus Smart Gilas. That game was abbreviated with Smart Gilas up ahead by 10.
And CJ Giles snatches rebound. Here comes Castro. JB Castro was never a natural point guard in the UAAP, but here he is, starting point guard for Smart Gilas. Giles is fouled, and immediately CJ Giles and Ranidel De Ocampo getting reacquainted. Ang balita ko, hindi lang si Ranidel, ang dami. Maraming nakipagkilala kay CJ Giles in that tune-up game.
Actually, nangyari doon was Giles stripped Ranidel De Ocampo and got a technical foul. But you take a look at that replay, and Ranidel De Ocampo following from behind.
Oh, it's you again.
Ranidel was blocked 4 times by CJ Giles in that contest, and on the 4th block, he just lost his cool, claiming that Giles had thrown a punch, but that was not ascertained. Giles, however, said that he might have thrown an elbow in trying to get position, but Ranidel brought him down with a headlock, and that started a free-for-all. It was, I think, about 5 or 6 Talking Tex players against Giles.
Meantime, here's Ranidel making his move. Really one of the best post-up players in the business. And he puts Power 8 on the scoreboard.
And that's experience for you. Experience and the versatility of playing like a Ranidel De Ocampo. He can post up. He's a player who can hurt you from outside. But he also has the mobility to move away from the low post and get his nice angle to get the shot unmolested from close range.
Castro, Japet Aguilar, 3, Castro chases the basketball, ends up with Mac Baracael.
Now, this is the kind of game that Powerade likes to play. Forcing Coach Toraman to play a slow down game. They're making them play half court and not taking advantage of their speed.
James Yap fires. Yes, sir.
The Smart Gilas must respect the outside shooting of James Yap.
This two on the right side. Alley-oop for Giles.
Well, you take advantage of your big man. He's a potential naturalized player for the national team. CJ Giles has agreed to play for Smart Gilas for 1 year. He's a legitimate NCAA Division I player. In fact, he plays for 2 teams. But James Yap is showing that he can gun it from anywhere.
4 points for James Yap. Bad pass issue there, so it's a 6-3 ball game in favor of Powerade Team Pilipinas. Willie Miller at the point guard spot.
Nico, I would call that, I would say, a rookie mistake on the part of Smart Gilas. They're trying to get the ball in the hands of CJ Giles at every opportunity at the quickest possible time. But there's pressure in the backcourt, so they've got to make sure that Giles is going to be free underneath.
And Giles was free underneath for that KFC assist delivery of the first quarter. Pagpa delivers to KFC just now 887-8888. KFC's finger looking good. Back to action on the floor. Chris Childers sees the pass. Baracael in motion. 14 on the shot clock. 5 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Top end goes up. And he goes up without the basketball. A nice swipe by Radadel. Here comes Miller on the move. Miller spins. Finger roll. Beauty.
And got the foul. What a move by Willie Miller. You know, that's the kind of move that will make the Smart Gilas youngsters look in awe at their